Why do real-time analytics matter in online stores? The answer is simple but profound, because it's the difference between driving blind and steering with a clear vision of the road ahead. Every online store owner knows that understanding customer behavior, tracking inventory, and analyzing sales data is pivotal to the success of their business. But the real challenge lies in doing all these in real time. That's where an Internet of Things, or IoT-based system, comes into play. Imagine a system that leverages IoT devices to monitor various metrics in your online store. Everything from customer foot traffic to inventory levels, all observed and analyzed in real time. This is not a glimpse into some distant future. Rather, it's the reality of today. A reality where IoT devices, seamless connectivity, and cloud computing converge to create a comprehensive real-time analytics solution for online stores. Consider an IoT device that tracks your inventory. It's not just about knowing how many items are left on your virtual shelves. It's also about understanding patterns in sales, predicting when you'll run out of stock, and making informed decisions about when to replenish. In essence, it's about turning inventory management from a guessing game into a data-driven strategy. But it's not just the inventory. Think about understanding your customers. With IoT devices, you can track online foot traffic, monitor customer behavior, and understand their preferences. You can see which products they're interested in, how much time they spend on your site, and what makes them click that buy button. Again, it's about making data-driven decisions that can boost sales and enhance the customer experience. And what about sales data? With an IoT-based system, you can track sales in real time. You can monitor trends, identify best-selling products, and understand what drives your revenue. It's about getting a clear picture of your store's performance and using this information to steer your business in the right direction. Now, imagine all this information at your fingertips, organized in a user-friendly dashboard. A dashboard that presents data in an easy-to-understand format, enabling you to make quick, informed decisions. That's the power of an IoT-based system for real-time online store analytics. To summarize, an IoT-based system for online store analytics provides three key benefits. First, it enables real-time tracking of inventory, helping you manage stock levels effectively. Second, it allows you to monitor customer behavior and understand their preferences, enabling you to enhance the customer experience. And third, it provides real-time sales data, giving you a clear picture of your store's performance. In essence, it's about leveraging technology to turn data into actionable insights. It's about making informed decisions that drive growth. And most importantly, it's about steering your online store with a clear vision of the road ahead. That, dear listeners, is the power and promise of an IoT-based system for real-time online store analytics.